Sister's Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Amu, shall we make a variety rice today?
There are many varieties of rice recipes. Among them, lemon rice is the favorite of most people.
Today we will show how to make delicious lemon rice with green peas and few other ingredients. It's a perfect lunchbox recipe. Let's see how to make it.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sister's Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
Okay, let's start. I have a pan ready on the stove. Let's start making the green peas lemon rice. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Bengal Gram, 1 teaspoon of black gram, and roast it lightly. Once it turns slightly golden brown, add 2 green chilies chopped into pieces, 2 dry red chillies in pieces, 10 cashew nuts halves and roasted. Let it roast lightly and turn the color. Once cashew nuts are roasted, add 1 medium-sized onion chopped lengthwise and saute. Add some curry leaves and continue to saute until it turns to a slightly transparent state. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and half teaspoon of turmeric. Once it sautés to this level, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste will give a nice aroma to the lemon rice. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away, add half cup of pre-boiled green peas. Three tablespoons of grated coconut and saute. It's a very simple recipe. You can make it quickly. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I have 250 grams of raw rice cooked and ready. Add this rice to the pan. Cook it in such a way it's not sticky. Add this size lemon juice to the rice. Now mix it well. That's it. Now add some coriander leaves. Mix and set aside. Don't think the onion and coconut added to the rice will spoil the rice in a few hours. It won't. The sourness of the lemon will keep the rice fresh. So you can pack this for lunchbox for school and office. Delicious green peas lemon rice is ready. Please try making and let us know how it came out in the comments. A delicious green peas lemon rice is ready. Please make this for your family and for people who carry lunch boxes. They would love it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.